friends here with this family.
What do you want me for?
Me not know, okay?
Robber show, I got chat to them, I made them chat for it. Robber, you don't know, sir, the one and only National Robber Danger. And on this platform, we do things different. Robbers. Rabblings, every day the internet proved the point to me. Say being natural are the new ugly. That's why right now in a today's society you find so much girl are indulge in a plastic surgery. Though, comment and let me know what you're thinking in the comment section below. Nowadays, nobody want to be unique and different. Everybody just want to be regular. And that make in a society today, make enough ladies that have baby and no want it, because the first thing that I tend to see are beauty and not something unique and different. It hurt me. For an example, if Precious never fat, maybe she would be Precious. And if Rihanna never have a big forehead, maybe she would be Rihanna. Yes, the eyes will always see beauty, but it will have a greater effect when we see something different. Tell me if I lie that. Ladies, I have a question. If you meet someone today, what you want that person to take away from it? You are beautiful, you have a nice personality, or you're different? Which one you think will have a greater effect? Right now, to the stories. Wake up this morning, I pre the internet and see a schoolgirl address someone about taking a pic. And scrolling through the comments, it hurt me, Jano. I always hear woman talk about woman empowerment. Me no know how that come. Me no woman, so I can't talk about that. But for the things when I see some older females I say about this young lady, Jano Rabblings, it made me as a male pre the mindset of ladies. Right now, nowadays, it seems like a high value is on beauty. I'm going to run a story. You're going to see this girl talking about she not going to employ no females that not wearing makeup or weave. Jano Rabblings are what the world gone to. On a daily basis, you can see ladies at the bus stop, makeup well up and them clothes crush up. Jano, it no look good. But the things I see females I say about this young lady, it hurt me because them themselves go through that phase where them honor them parents' guidance and them can do certain things. Right now, 95% of female black and white are wear makeup and weave. So what is real beauty? Comment and let me know in the comment section below because I want to know. But as I say, comment and let me know if you meet someone today, what you want them take away from that. You being beautiful, you have a nice personality, or you're different, and the list can go on. Robber, straight robbling, spree this.
Me see come and me see plenty phone pan Shante. He plenty pan Shante and he switch come on to what I will say my take picture. And me say who for picture you take? Come me see plenty pan thing my plenty with this family.
What do you want me for?
Me not know okay he plenty pan picture me never see me never know. This one you want to God.
Let's start off with you, first of all. Now, you say that you believe that it's kind of the key. This is kind of the key to all your personal and professional success is wearing makeup.
I think so, yeah. I think it's all about the image that you portray and what you put out there, and the fact that it shows that you actually put effort into the way that you look.
And okay. So, from your point of view, Shona, you just say it's a waste of time. Oh, you're not wearing makeup now?
I'm not wearing makeup now. This is an artificial environment, so I apologise. I don't normally have such harsh lights. But no, I don't. And I don't see why it really matters. And I start to get a bit... What I object to, if you want to wear makeup because it makes you feel more confident or it makes you feel happier or you enjoy wearing makeup to present that side of yourself, then that's great. But no woman should feel that they have to wear makeup or that they're somehow disadvantaged professionally or in any other way because they choose not to wear makeup like me. It's never disadvantaged me.
Well, here's the debate. Helen Mirren said it would be wonderful if it became more fashionable not to wear makeup. I suspect we might have reached saturation with the whole selfie thing and that maybe we're moving in another direction. Whereas Charlotte says, I totally disagree with Helen. She's absolutely wrong, completely wrong. Why would anyone in a world where everyone is judged by their looks not wear makeup? Makeup is very empowering. Women should celebrate this weapon in their arsenal. Women need to wear makeup to get ahead in life.
It's that women need to that makes me think, have we not progressed at all in the last 60 years? It's kind of, I don't think women should feel that they need to do anything. This is just a face. You know, I don't disagree with looking nice, making yourself look nice with clothes, but I am very concerned that we're living in a very looksism society, and I have 2 teenage girls who are 16 or 18.
You argue with them actually over this.
I do. I mean, they're obsessed with it, and they get up an hour early every morning just to do their face to go to school, which I think is utterly ridiculous. And I find it extraordinary that being a mother that doesn't wear makeup, this hasn't come from me.
What age are they?
16 and 18. To them, it's everything. They wouldn't dream of leaving the house without a full face of makeup on.
Right.
But I think that's a very concerning message for that teenagers are so obsessed with that and that they think it actually matters.
Well, you say you wouldn't, in later life, you wouldn't hire someone if they weren't wearing makeup.
I think...
Unfortunately not, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. This is the society that we are dealing with. We're not reinventing the wheel, so we have to deal with modern society and perceptions as it is. And for me personally, I own a business, and I don't want to put one of my employees into winning a very big contract with very big heads of department who's not wearing makeup, because it just tells me they don't care enough about themselves. And if they don't care enough about themselves, they don't care enough about that person's business.
What does
or
it say
mine.
they feel confident within themselves that they don't need that?
Yes.
At the end
I
of the
would
day,
suggest that wearing too much makeup suggests something if you're overly made
That's
up.
different.
And also your business
That's
is kind of
different.
honey trapping other people's husbands, isn't it? So kind of like I can understand.
No,
you,
it's
you
not
want a detective.
at all.
Okay, well, that's slightly going off what we're talking about here, so let's not argue about
But
that.
I think it's a really shallow view to suggest that you wouldn't respect a woman's professionalism just because she hasn't got a bit of foundation on her face. Can a woman not be professional without having foundation on her face? What difference does it make?
You would honestly go in to a meeting. Now, my business is not honey trapping in the slightest. My business is an investigation company. We find missing children. We investigate fraud.
It's one aspect of what you do. Yeah.
It's an
Okay,
aspect of what
let's
I do.
not argue about that.
Would you go into a meeting with somebody who's ridiculously high up in a company without a face of makeup on?
Absolutely, because it doesn't matter. I would far rather be judged on my intelligence, on the way that I speak,
have intelligence.
on the way that I come across. Yes, but you're going to be judged on everything anyway. Why be shackled to that and why be a puppet to it? You will
So
be
you don't
judged on the
ever wear
fact that you're
makeup?
wearing a denim miniskirt.
So
That's not denim.
You're judged the minute you open your mouth. We're judged on everything.
But you don't ever wear makeup?
No, I wear a little bit of lip gloss and I put a bit of, moisturiser on my face.
I'd give it consideration.
Robber, no fear for tell them say you hear it, yes, sir. Remember for like, share and subscribe. Straight Robber Leaves.